Hey everybody, my name is Alexander Fonts and I am in the GSEN Special Topics of GIS Applications course with y'all. I am the discussion leader for week 2, the topic being population structure and change. This week we have these 2 required readings, first being GIS methods in time geographic research, geocomputation and geovisualization of human activity patterns, by M.P. Kwan, featured in the Geographiska Annular. I don't know if that's pronounced properly, but that's a scientific journal. And then the second one being Constructing Knowledge from Multivariate Spatiotemporal Data, Integrating Geographical Visualization with Knowledge Discovery in Database Methods, featured in the International Journal of Geographical Information Science, by A. Makikren. I probably should have tried that one first before this recording. M. Wachowitz, R. Edsall, D. Hogg, and R. Masters. Main points that I got from reading these 2 articles were that GIS mapping the daily utility of humans was a key topic. Basically that both of these readings focused on. There are many time geographic applications with the GIS, especially when it comes to mapping human activity patterns. Second topic being visualizing and analyzing spatial temporal data, identifying spatial temporal patterns by utilizing multiple types of data in their research. Third topic being advances in time geography based studies. One of the main points that they talk about a couple times during these articles is the transitions from 2D to 3D mapping, and the steps that they've gone through doing this research to get it to where it is today. Going along with the advances in research, another topic was geographic advances in technology. The technology used to collect and display these new types of data has continued to advance as the complexities of analysis has grown. So basically, technology keeping up with the research and body of knowledge. And the last topic was, hold on one second, challenges involved with personal level spatial data collection, privacy issues, accuracy issues, and the quantity of data issues. Sorry about that, just a second ago, there's my roommate knocking on my door. Our 5 discussion questions here are, the first one being, what might a 3D visualization of data look like if a temporal aspect were added to it? Basically think of like what a time-lapse might look like, and what examples you might be able to think of. I was kind of thinking about that while I was reading this, and just kind of thinking of time-lapsey examples and just kind of different ways to visualize that. Second question being, what are some uses of modern day space-time aquarium displays of data? One of the, I'm pretty sure it's the first article, references this space-time aquarium concept, and both articles kind of give a little bit of an insight into what that might look like, how that might be mapped. So I'm just thinking what might be some uses that you can come up with, and maybe just talk about them a little bit. I had a fun time actually kind of bouncing ideas off of one of the other students for this question, and so just try to come up with something fun. Next one is time really a beneficial component to spatial displays of data? Why or why not? And if you think it is beneficial, what does it bring to the table? If you do not think it's very beneficial, why does it not bring stuff to the table? So just kind of play around with that idea. Fourth one being, what are some challenges that could come up with when furthering the personal level collection of spatial data? I was thinking specifically privacy issues. One of the articles talks about these personal spatial data journals, or location journals. I don't know exactly what term was used, but they talk about data becoming very personalized and almost too accurate to where it becomes uncomfortably, I guess, encroaching of someone's privacy. And then the last one being, other than advances in individual level spatial data collection, kind of like we referenced in the previous question, what would be the next big step in spatial data collection? Whether it be focusing on making it, I don't know, hot air balloons carrying around GPS units so we could get tracks of weather patterns. I don't know. Just play with that one. That was kind of another idea I had. And so good luck. I hope we have an interesting discussion this week. And I hope that this video posts on YouTube correctly, because I think this is going to be a first time for me. So thank you, and I will be seeing you guys in class on Wednesday or talking to you all on the discussion board. Thank you very much and have a good week. Bye.